Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ram 2500 fuel filter. Begin by disconnecting the battery and relieving fuel pressure at the rail, then place absorbent pads under the filter area to catch spills. Have a pan ready and work in a well-ventilated area, keeping rags and a fire extinguisher nearby. Follow manufacturer torque specs when installing the new filter and cycle the ignition to check for leaks after installation. Start by confirming there is no residual pressure in the fuel lines and remove the negative battery cable. Use appropriate wrenches to loosen the inlet and outlet fittings while containing any drips with a pan. Unbolt the mounting bracket and slide the old filter free, noting the flow direction arrow. Seal or cap open fuel lines immediately, then transfer the used filter and contaminated rags to a sealed container for proper disposal at a recycling or hazardous waste center. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and survive the toolbox. They keep snacks fresh while you work and prevent greasy messes in your truck cab. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab a set you will thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect the replacement filter and confirm the flow arrow matches the fuel flow direction on the truck. Install new O-rings or seals as needed and hand start fittings before tightening them to the specified torque to avoid damage. Reattach the bracket securely, reconnect the battery, and prime the fuel system by cycling the ignition until the pump runs smoothly. Finally, start the engine and watch carefully for any leaks. Then test drive to ensure proper operation and fuel delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.